The Realme Note 50 has been making a lot of waves in my country and it caught my attention. I purchased it alongside iPhone 16 Pro and the Samsung S24 Ultra in camera comparison. Yeah, sometimes you just have to play with the big boys. How good is the Realme Note 50? Now let's compare some pictures and videos between this phone and the iPhone 16 Pro and the Samsung S24 Ultra. So now is the time for us to go into the nighttime pictures. There is normal nighttime, there is night mode also. The difference is not much, but the night mode can actually help, for places that are very, very dark. For me, it's felt like it was practically increasing the ISO of the picture, but you can see for yourself.